Welcome. In today's video, I'll show you step-by-step how to allow specific contacts to see your birthday on Telegram web, all from your PC. This process is part of Telegram's new update, which adds more control over who can view your personal details. Let's get started right away. First, open Telegram web on your computer and log into your account if you haven't already. Once it's loaded, take a look at the top left corner of your screen. You'll see 3 horizontal lines. Click on them to open the main menu. From there, go down and select Settings. Inside the Settings menu, click on Privacy and Security. This section is where you can manage how visible your personal information is to others, including your birthday. Next, scroll down until you find the Birthday option. Go ahead and click on it. Here, you'll see a few different visibility choices. Choose My Contacts so only people you've added can see your birthday information. But we're not done yet. You'll now fine-tune exactly who among your contacts gets access. Click on Always Allow, and Telegram will open a list of your contacts. Browse through and select the specific users you want to give permission to see your birthday. You can pick as many or as few people as you like. Once you've chosen the users, confirm your selection to save the changes. Telegram will instantly update your settings, meaning only those selected contacts will see your birthday on your profile. And that's it. You've now successfully customized your birthday visibility on Telegram web using the newest update. This feature is great for keeping your profile more private while still sharing special info with the people who matter most.